Progress.
That was very useful. Thank you, guys. All right, so we're recording. So if I remember correctly, we loaded our files on Google Drive. We click on this one over here. Then we have to mount drive. So this would say mount drive. We selected our Google Drive and this appeared. And then if we click on it, this is our Google Drive, and these are the files that we uploaded essentially. So now we can access this path. Okay. All right. So hopefully that works. So now let's try this one again. So I think FastAI was already installed on this. That runs. Okay. So then did the libraries. Let's do these. That. Okay. Then the load data that we explained earlier, data loader for FastAI. Then we do load the data. So I guess this is the path that we need to change. So this would be, what is it? Just drive my drive? Oh, okay. The three dots here. Copy path. Okay, good. All right, so then change that. Content drive my drive malware image data, which actually is consistent. That's good. Data. All right, so let's try it then. All right, so the green check is there. Oops. Then let's show some images. So this would actually show evidence that we loaded it. Okay, great. There you go. So we've got our thanks. Thanks, guys. This is really helpful. Um, so now we should have a GPU, so hopefully the training for this one will be faster. This is the train model as we had discussed. All right, that went by pretty fast. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Now, as far as this export path, do I have to say something like content, my drive? So what if I just wanted next to malware image data? So do I just use this front part here? Yeah. Just like that, do you think? All right. So let's try that. So it does definitely seem faster, right? And for Cypher 10, there's no limit in size for Google Drive, or do you have like Pro version or something? Yeah, for storage, because that was enough for Cypher 10. What about for the RLHF homework? Was that enough space? Zoe? It's not due necessarily tonight, but I wanted to, because I know you guys have been on spring break, so. But we can start talking about it and it should be enough, yeah. Oh, wow, look at that. So power of GPU, right? I think my CPU is, okay, this one also shouldn't be too critical, right? It's going. But yeah, there we go. So where was it? So this is CPU, right? This is my node Anaconda. It's on iteration 7. This one already finished, I think. Yeah, so it's got a green check there. So great. We used Colab. We loaded files to Google Drive. That was pretty awesome. Uh, we we can train our model, right? So that's really great. And then this, as I said, is the learning rate that it found and the search. The loss, the train loss, does seem to be going down from 112, 152, 123 to 1010. So some learning did happen. And okay, so now just for completion, so we did all this, and I know we're going to take a break in a sec. Then, as I said, we have this code over here. So this is Colab. So then here is model. I believe we set is model to true. So is model true? If true, so it just executes these three. So like I said, this is very nice. It uses this object from Fast AI, and then it says from learner, it grabs the model. Remember that the data sets were passed to the model, so it's got everything it needs, and then it just does the evaluation. So I run that one. All right, and then that's the definition of it, I should say. And then of the function confusion matrix. So now we can just, no, okay. Now we just run it here. And there it is, confusion matrix. Perfect. Got it, guys? So this is a perfect example. Now you can use Colab for free with your own little image data, a ResNet, fine tune it, and then did we save the checkpoint, right? So that was the question. So we would have to go here, I assume. And then we wanted it, where did we say next to this, right? It's there. It's best model PKL, right? Perfect. And from there, it's on Google Drive, so I assume we just download from Google. Great. That's really great. Any questions, guys? Pardon? Upload this notebook on, yeah, this Colab one. Okay, sure. Where do you want me to upload it? To where the other ones are? Oh, to Brightspace, you mean? Yeah, okay, okay. Give me a second, please. So we finished this one, right? So let me rename it. In class Fast AI Colab malware, just so that we remember. And then is there a special way that you want me to save this or just Downloaded just like that. IP. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna put it in the GitHub, and then I'm gonna provide the link. So in transfer learning, which is the course, um, so here in FastAI, Colab, I'm going to add. So we downloaded it. It should be in uploads. Download. In class, FastAI Colab malware. All right. I'm going to commit the changes. AI, Colab, Colab. Is that good? Like this? Yeah. All right. So great. I will provide this link on Brightspace. Just going to create a link. And I'll say Colab malware. Great. Is that good? Done, right? All right. So let's pause here or stop actually.